I will have to verify with my bosses before we try and do anything like that. We actually do have a box we found out here. It's got holes in the bottom, like air holes in the bottom of it. I don't know what it's for, but then we can put him in, and it actually has a lid also.
Come on, buddy, fly away.
Okay. Okay, well, we'll see what we can do about getting him there. All right. Yeah, it's a possibility. I don't think I've ever seen a cat in this park, but there's neighborhood. I mean, there's houses all around it, so it's very possible. Yeah. Right. Right. Okay. Well, I appreciate you. Okay. All right. Well, I appreciate your help. Okay. Thank you. All right. Bye.
He's doing a lot better.
I think I was right. I think he ate something and he's fucking stoned out of his mind.
He might. I mean, there was some people over here yesterday.
Ate something that was laying on the ground.
Yeah, he probably did. But he's moving a lot more. When we first saw him, he looked like he was.
He was barely even stand up.
Right.
He was like flopping toward me.
Yeah, and his
he was
eyes.
trying to fly off, and he couldn't go nowhere.
Now he's like, well, at least he's like moving around. It looks like both his wings work.
Yeah, he tried to fly. I wonder if we ought to still put him in that box and just.
You want to take him over there?
Let him. No, I don't know if we can, but.
Where are they at?
It's way the hell out right there by the fucking hospital.
Archer Road?
Yeah.
Oh.
But I'd be afraid to put him in that box with a lid on it, because then if he does try and fly, he could enter himself in the box. He's definitely freaking getting better. Now he's trying to peck at you. He's trying to eat.
He needs to probably go find a good hiding spot till he gets better. Huh.
We can't go out there. I mean, I could call Rail and ask him, but he's gonna fucking tell us no.
You think?
I'm sure.
I mean, we could do it on a lunch break, right?
We're not supposed to.
They didn't want to come get him?
No, well, the dude said that he didn't have anybody come get him right now.
Mm.
But if he had somebody that, they have volunteers, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
He had one in the area that he would call me back.
He's getting better.
I think he's something he ate. He was like, it's probably a cat. And I was like, you don't look to be in here.
Yeah, I don't know about a cat. He doesn't have any, there's no feathers missing or anything. Oh yeah.
Now.
Oh yeah,
like,
yeah.
Go ahead,
He's doing better now.
He's alert enough. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna peck your ass. Maybe we'll just leave him alone and see what happens. Maybe he'll fly off.
He acts like he's wanting to.
I don't think he's fully recovered yet. Whatever's wrong with him. He's getting better though.
I wonder if do they drink water?
I'm sure. He's still trying to eat.
That's crazy.
Whatever he got was probably right here.
Oh. Oh.
Is that what happened to your ass? You got high and fell out the fucking tree. That might be what's wrong with him. He may have fell from way the fuck up there.
Could have gotten stunned.
Yeah, possibly.
I mean, he's definitely doing better now. The fact that he can hang on to that tree like that.
He still ain't there yet.
Watch him like come straight for us and
But
attack us.
He's not trying to fly away from us.
He's trying to peck.
Yeah, I know. He's definitely alert now. You know he ain't all there yet. He didn't know what the fuck was going on when we first walked in.
No, he didn't.
I was touching him and he was like,
Yeah.
Barely got close to him that time. He wanted to take the shit. I think he's alright. Or gonna be alright. If it was a cat, it wouldn't have just all of a sudden started recovering like
Right.
that. It would have been damaged. We'll let him see. Maybe he'll keep going.